Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little heads up today as we start today's video. Just hit 3,000 subscribers, which means I'll be giving something away here very shortly. As a reminder, every time I hit 1,000 new subscribers, I'll be giving away tools, Amazon gift cards, that sort of thing. And then at 15,000 subscribers, I will be giving away one of these layouts that I'm building up to $5,000 value. So just a reminder, I did build this entire layout on this channel. I do call it the Nightmare Layout, and for good reason. The short of it is every time I turned around, something else went wrong, and it's still going on because I actually had to go fix something this time. So the layout turned out wonderfully. It runs reliably, so it's kind of a nickname that just stuck. So getting started, we're going to start by walking into the room with the door. I did go ahead and build those shelves on the left-hand side for the gentleman. It is 6.5 feet tall by 8 feet wide. And then I've got 2 tracks up here on the top, and then a track on the bottom that goes from the very bottom and kind of meanders its way back up and then back down again. So this layout was built in 6 sections plus the bridge. And it turned out really, really good. The husband and wife team are actually taking on the scenery together, and it's turned out really cool. It's not done yet, but there's a lot to see anyway. So you got your fire department over here with a couple town buildings, and then I was actually told that the garden there was actually all put in one piece at a time and glued in place. The wife was very proud of that. And then, just further scenery details. You got the trains going in and out of the tunnel. He's still building the tunnel entries, but, you got your power plant in the back corner there with some engine service facilities. And he's still working on the mountains. The mountain in the back there is actually temporary until he can do something a little more permanent and more elaborate in the back corner is what I'm told. And then you've got this cool little spot up here in the front corner. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you some details here on the bridge. You will notice that there is a lock on the top and another one on the bottom. The reason for that is he does have grandkids that come over on occasion, and I wanted to make sure that there was a safety there. But normally when the trains are not running on the top, that's left down so it's easily accessible to get inside there for the control panel with all of the switches. All of the track is Ross custom switches on this layout. There is no guardrails. So it all connects together beautifully. It's all matched, and the gentleman's actually doing a really nice job with the ballast too, so it looks really, really good. And just to polish the video off, the gentleman whom I built this for is off in the corner.